Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota Tundra. It's a 2010 Toyota Tundra. The casting is by Hotwheels and it's part of their Silver Series lineup. So if you don't know about Silver Series, it basically sits between mainline and premium. So we'll have some features which are more detailed than a mainline, better looking than a mainline, but then it misses out on stuff which you get on premium like rubber tires, nicer wheels, and premium paint, all that. But still they look good. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Tundra out of its box. First thing you notice, it's a race truck. It's not a normal standard truck. Bigger wheels, more ground clearance kind of stuff. But you also notice that's a black truck with some nice chrome wheels, chrome steps. Looks really good. So let's go to the front. Up front, you got some good details. You got a chrome grille, you got detailed headlamp, got a Toyota badge, chrome bumper with no details for the fog lamps. Got both the mirrors. You can see some auxiliary lamps on the top, and does miss out on the windshield wipers. It's finished in blacks. Looks nice. Now let's go back to the driver's side. Here you will notice that it is called those bolt-on wheel arches, flares, front and back, and it's a quad cap. So you see a door handle here, but not in the back. So I think it looks good. And this window is open, so let's see what's inside. The interior is done in black. It looks alright. Let's move to the rear now. So in the rear, you can see both the tail lamps are detailed, which is a good thing. You do miss out on any Toyota logo or badge in the back. Again, chrome bumper, which looks good. The bed is done in black. Looks really, really good. No sunroof or anything here. It's just us. Or is it? Oh, sorry, my bad. It's got a sunroof here. It's a clear roof. If you can see, slightly tinted. Looks good. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't really see any difference. You do have Tundra written on both the sides. Yeah, looks really good. Looks way better than the mainline Tundra. And I will try to make a video just to show the differences. So, should you get this? If you're a fan of trucks, go for it. Silver Series is a good, best of both worlds, I guess. But most of them are based on like older mainline, so they do miss out on some details, I guess. Otherwise, it's a nice truck. Looks nice, looks good, and will go with most of the other raced trucks. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.